For me, it was the best experience that I've ever had buying a car. I don't have a lot of free time. I work a lot of hours. I'm also in school and I have a family with a 2-year-old. And my time, I feel, is valuable. Within one night, I was sitting down doing the paperwork. I feel like I got a great deal on my car. It met the mileage I wanted, it met the price I wanted exactly.
I would rather get a root canal than go through the process of buying a new car. Yes, I want the car I want. Might not know what that is, but YourWayAutomotive.com helped me identify exactly the car I wanted.
He helped us negotiate and communicate with the dealership and overall made the whole process of buying a car seamless and easy.
John helped us find the best vehicle within our budget that was most practical for us.
If you're ever going to purchase a vehicle in the future and you dread the thought of dealing with high-pressure salespeople, we know how you feel, and you don't have to take it anymore. You simply go to YourWayAutomotive.com, complete our brief survey, and we will not only create a personalized plan just for you, but we will also guide you through to victory. Hey, just the time and money you will save will more than outweigh the cost, but the price of regret you will never forget. So go to YourWayAutomotive.com and let us help you win the day.